Well, I saw your question on discussion board from chapter 11, section 1, I guess number 8. You were asking finding the mean and the standard deviation. The easiest way would be with StatCrunch. If you go into StatCrunch and you click on the stats pull down menu that's available, so you go in StatCrunch, click on stats and proportion stats, two samples with a summary. So it's two samples, proportion with summary, and you just enter the information. You can see they want the females first, and so you had 201 out of 500 females, and then minus the males, which was 210 out of 551, and you're doing a hypothesis test. It's a, you can see, well, you got that part, it's a right-tailed test. I guess it's entered this way instead of slightly different. Then you click on compute, it'll give you the mean and standard deviation. It'll apply the formulas for you. So you could do it by hand or you could use StatCrunch. Hope that helps.